Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity. As you know, we have in the last week or so tried and get as much possible employment that we can get. As you see, we've just been visited by the Minister for Foreign Affairs of New Zealand. Yesterday, we had a signing of renewal of the Memorandum of Understanding between Fiji and Australia on seasonal workers program. The government at this very stage is trying to focus on creation of employment. As you know, NEC has a big database of people actually from various sectors and the widest spectrum of people that are looking to find employment, not only in Fiji but also overseas. We had signed a Memorandum of Understanding between Fiji and Australia yesterday, which had removed the cap, not only the number of workers that we will be able to send to Australia, but also on the scope and the width of the industries that they will be employed in various fields in Australia. This morning, the Foreign Affairs Minister from New Zealand, I had introduced to him the possibility of employing hotel industry people. The fact that in Fiji we have a low season of about 6 months, from October to about March every year. So I had asked him if he could look at the opportunity, because
it's a seasonal.
Yes, seasonal workers, basically like a holiday job. In Fiji, when we have low numbers, the actual people employed in the hotel industry, the casual or part-time workers are laid off. But at the same time, that is the opportunity. Australia and New Zealand, it's their high season. So I've just been having discussions with the two governments to absorb our hotel industry people that are laid off in our low season. If they can go across for 6 months as part of a holiday package, they can go on a holiday and also work in a hotel. So I thank the ANZ for giving us the opportunity and to provide the workers and that is available in our data for employment.
No, thank you, Mr. Thank you for the opportunity. We are obviously pleased to be signing this agreement today. And as you probably know, we have let my team also say a few words, but we are probably one of the top employers in the country. We have two outfits. One is the bank itself, where we employ around 330 people. Then we also have a hub, so back office function, which is state of the art, which is world class, which is employing close to 400 people. So altogether we employ over 700 people in Fiji. So employment is clearly a top of agenda for us. We have been here for 135 years. We have been a true corporate citizen in every sense of the word, and we will continue to do our very best. And the hub, I must say, it's not only serving Fiji, it also serves the wider Pacific. We operate in 12 countries in the Pacific, and we have just finalized an arrangement for the hub to also serve some of our other parts of the world. We operate in 34 countries. So very shortly, the hub will be providing services to places like China, India, the Philippines. And it's a great credit to Fiji and the Fijians, because we, as I said, we employ nearly 400 people in the hub. There are only 2 expatriates. 398 are all Fijian nationals, which is great credit to the skill set that we have in the country and the ability of the people. And it's also a very young population. Average age is, I would say, around 35, maybe not even 35. Well qualified, very eager, young, passionate people who are looking for a great career. So we are very proud. We are a very proud employer.
Thank you.
And I would like to believe that we are also an employer of choice in the country.
Thank you.
So on that note, sir, we'll thank you. Maybe Gwen, you want to say anything?
I'd like to thank the NEC team. We've worked very closely with Sanjana and Billy and the rest of the team in facilitating an arrangement that is both suitable for the bank and for the government. And we look forward to that partnership materializing in a way that's beneficial to both parties.
Thank you.
So thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjana.
Thank you.
Tracy is our head of HR. Tracy, you want to say anything?
No, I echo the same words that you've both spoken. I'm pleased that we have, actually come to an agreement today, and we're looking forward to, working with Sanjana, with Vini, in, obtaining some resources from the databases that you have, and moving ANZ forward as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.